the courage to pursue and dream. I have written the meaning of pursuing. Pursuing means following. Means trying to. And okay, what happened? You see, always you children are in quarrelsome mood, ready to fight with each other. That is not good. Be friendly with each other. Somebody did something once told, take it to heart. Okay. Don't reply. No need to reply. Just to keep silence. It is understood that you are a good child. Okay. Then you see passage 3. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. So, if a question is there, name Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle.
Columbia.
Kalpana's first
Columbia, sir.
Very good. All of you are correct. Tanuj also correct. And Ayan also
Columbia.
correct. Okay.
Columbia.
Columbia. How was her experience? Okay, another question. How was her experience? Her experience around the earth was 252 times.
Sir, Columbia.
Yes. How
She
many
has
times?
done more than 80 experiments.
Okay. She traveled 250 times. She went around there, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. 10.45 million kilometers. Okay, it was 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes in space. 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes in space. Okay, Kalpana was determined bold lady. So she was called a, suppose a question will come, why Kalpana was called a heroine? Kalpana was a determined bold lady. Determined and bold. Two words you write, answer will come correctly. Kalpana was a determined and bold lady, so she was called a heroine. Okay. So, she knew a lot about from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. Suppose you want to go to space, you should have encyclopedic knowledge. In computer, you have encyclopedia. Whatever question is there, you can reply. Similarly, Kalpana had encyclopedic knowledge. Arey, what happened? Okay, why are you sentimental? Don't be sentimental, beta. Be practical. Nobody wants to hurt others' feelings. Okay. Just to cooperate with each other, things will be fine. Siddhika and Akshay both have.
सर आपने लास्ट में क्या लिखा है?
Bold.
Sir,
Bold.
adjust the camera.
Okay.
Done sir.
Done. Very good.
Please.
Now we will go to the fourth para.
I have done, sir.
Okay. So, how will Kalpana Chawla be remembered?
Sir, repeat the question.
How will she will be remembered?
Sir, repeat the question.
How will Kalpana Chawla be remembered? How will Kalpana Chawla be remembered? Write the answer. She will be remembered.
As it was proud for India to have such a woman who is from a small town but touch the sky.
Okay, yes. You are
Sir,
telling
we can
correctly.
write this.
Yes. How was Kalpana Chawla and how Kalpana Chawla will be remembered? How will Kalpana Chawla be remembered? She came from a small town. But
Small town but touch the sky.
But touched the sky and became inspiration for others. And
Sir,
became
adjust the camera.
नीचे नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
Sir,
And
थोड़ा और.
became inspiration.
Yes sir.
inspiration for others.
All is clear, sir.
Okay. Just you see, children, if not clear, you tell. I am not getting angry. Don't think like this. We are here to help each other. We are here to
write this.
Sir, all is clear.
Yes, yes. Any doubt is there, you are welcome. Please ask. Okay.
Sir, we have
So-
to write this.
You can write. She will be remembered as she came from a small town but touched the sky and became inspiration for others. Then you see in your book also some exercises are there with write the opposites. We will do revise, then go to the poem beauty for revision. Okay. So
सर आपने
I-
became के बाद क्या लिखा है?
touched the sky and became inspiration. INSPIRATION for others. Inspiration. Yes. She came from a small town but touched the sky and became inspiration for others. Okay. Then you see in this chapter there are some prefixes. Prefix means used
Which
before
comes
the
before
word.
the word.
Yes. Suppose sufficient, insufficient. So in is prefix. On, in, these are prefixes.
So like happy, unhappy.
Words.
Yes, sir, like
Okay. I am dropping the board. So what is prefix? Prefix, first comes prefix, then comes the word. Prefix plus word. This is the thing we should write. Suppose example, sufficient, insufficient. So you see by adding the prefix, we are writing the opposite of the word. Opposite. We are writing the opposite of the word. So certain words are there which carries on un. In some words, un also.
Happy, unhappy.
Yes. For example, identified. What is the opposite word?
Unidentified.
Complete, incomplete.
Unidentified. Okay. Controlled. Controlled. What is the opposite? Uncontrolled or uncontrolled?
Uncontrolled.
Uncontrolled. Very good. Sufficient.
Uncontrolled.
Insufficient.
Insufficient. Okay. Attended. Unattended. Attended. Unattended. Successful.
Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful.
Okay. Important. Unimportant. Important. Unimportant. Okay. Educated.
Uneducated.
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 Interesting.
Uninteresting.
Uninteresting. Very good. Qualified.
Unqualified.
Unqualified.
We are
Disqualified.
disqualified. Disqualified.
Disqualified.
Okay.
Qualified.
Trained. Untrained. Okay, trained, untrained. So these are all about Kalpana Chawla chapter. Trained, untrained. So on is a prefix. What is prefix? It is used
Reversible, irreversible.
to write the opposite meaning of a word. Correct? So now we will go to the next chapter, beauty. Its revision is over. Kalpana Chawla will go to the poem beauty. Shall I rub? Are you writing?
Yes.
Yes, so you can rub.
Yes, sir.
Rocking the board.
Yes, sir, you can draw. ले लो.
Okay, write UN. Interesting, uninteresting, you write it will come.
My chat box.
Uninteresting. Educated, uneducated, like this. Now, what we will do? We will do revision from the poem Beauty. So, Beauty, who is the poet of this poem? Who is the poet?
Yes, sure.
He
Yes, sure. Sure.
the name of the
Yes, sure.
poet. Name of the poet is this. Okay. So you see, the poem deals with the concept of beauty. So the poet is telling that beauty is in the sunlight, trees, birds, cornfields, dancing groups. Sunlight, beauty is in the sunlight, trees, birds. Okay. Cornfields, beauty is in the sunlight, trees.
And sir, people dancing for their harvesting.
Yes. So,
Sir, we can write this.
you can write this already. You have written, I think. Dancing groups.
Yes, sir, we have written this.
Written already. You have written
Yes,
already.
sir.
What you listen. Don't write. So, beauty is in the sunlight, trees, birds, cornfields, dancing groups. So, similarly, beauty is in the sounds also. What are the sounds? Beauty is in the sounds
Birds
also.
chirping.
Okay. Beauty in sounds.
River
Sir,
flowing.
birds chirping.
Birds chirping, very good. Then
So river flowing.
Waterfall flowing.
humming of
Water
rain,
falling.
chirping of birds,
Water falling.
humming of rain,
Chirping of birds. Rainfall.
rain falling, wind blowing
Birds
also.
sing. Singer chanting.
Yes, singer singing, singing.
Sir, singer chanting. Mute your mic. Aksham, mute your mic.
So beauty is in the activities, in the people and in the sounds also. And beauty also is in good deeds, ideas. Okay. Beauty is also in good deeds. Good deeds means something means done good one and good ideas. Means the poet is telling that if we think well of others, it is also a beautiful thing. When we think of others. Okay, when we think of others, it is also a beautiful thing. And beauty is also in our dreams. Arey, don't talk. with
पेन
each
मेरे
other.
घर में लगती
Don't talk with each other, please. Okay, so beauty is in the dreams also. When we sleep, no. When we dream, beauty is in the dreams also. So beauty is in the work. Beauty is in the dreams. Beauty is in the sounds. And beauty is in the scenery also. So there is a yes. I will ask you note down or I will put that.
अनु तेरा माइक ऑफ कर ले.
Arey Tanuj, please off your mic. So where can you see beauty?
Sir.
Where can you see beauty? Who will reply? Where can you see beauty? Who will reply?
When the trees are rushing.
Beauty can be seen in the sunlight, trees, birds.
We never put leaves.
Seen.
Sound.
Peacock are dancing.
Even in our restroom.
Sir, confused.
Yes.
Sir, confused. Peacock are
How
dancing.
you will tell? Okay, beauty can be seen in the sunlight, in the trees, birds, and growing corn. Beauty can be seen sunlight, trees, birds, growing corn. Arey, please mute yourself. There is a request from your friend. Okay. What do you mean by harvest? What do you mean by harvest? Who can tell? Harvest means
To pick the
Sir, when the
to cut the plants and it
from the cutting crop,
cutting the crop.
okay.
Cutting the crop.
harvesting.
Very good. To cut and gather the corn is called harvest. To cut and gather the corn is called harvest. Okay. So you see, in winter every year we are cutting the corn. Okay. Then you see what sounds. What do we? When do we hear beauty? We hear beauty at night. Why at night? Because you can hear the sound of the wind, sound of the raindrops at night. That's why we can hear beauty. When means the time is asked, you can tell you can hear beauty at night. Okay. Who all produce the sound? Blowing winds, falling raindrops, song of the singer. Blowing winds, falling raindrops, song of the singer. Okay. How does a singer create beauty? A singer creates beauty by his, yes, Raj is correct.
By his melody voice.
Yes. Dipjot is correct. A singer creates beauty by singing. Correct. Now you see, what is the real beauty? What is the real
Real
beauty?
beauty is in our good deeds.
Very good. So what do we do? Good work, good deeds.
Ideas.
That is real beauty. In our good actions and happy thoughts. Two things you write. Good actions, one. Happy thoughts, number two.
Happy
Good
thoughts.
actions, happy thoughts. Very good. Now, what do you mean by deed? Deed means our work. Surya Kumar has said, yes. Deed means work. Good deeds. Okay, deeds means actions are work. Deed, action or work. Good deeds. There is another difficult word, earnest. Earnest means sincerely.
उनके बाद क्या लिखा है?
SINCREL, earnest. So sincerely, if you do, means in the heart, in the heartful desire. If you do, it is sincerity. Okay. Then you see corn growing, people working, they can be written as corn that is growing. How can you write? Corn growing. Suppose you are told you use that and write. So how will you write?
Crop that is growing.
Growing. Similarly, people working. People,
Sir, we have to write this.
People that are working.
people, how will you say? People who are working.
People that
No,
are
not
working.
that. People who are working.
People
Because
who are working.
this is a living being. No, you cannot use that. You have to use who. Okay. So these are the phrases we are writing from the book. So then you see different kind of school I have taught, but it will not come in the exam. So we have to do revision from the White Shepherd, from non-detailed. Okay, White Shepherd. Okay. Then you, sorry, the Cephas treasure. The Cephas treasure we will do revision now.
Sir, you have said the shepherd treasure.
It will come. See, I am doing revision of the chapters which will come in the exam. Cephas treasure will come. So I am doing revision on that also. Already I have sent in WhatsApp your syllabus for the exam.
सर आपने जो मैसेज भेजा था उसमें वो लिखना है हमारे नोटबुक में
हाँ, करके
सारे।
आप गूगल में ही भेज दीजिए, गूगल क्लास रूम में ही भेज दीजिए। Only you see, please listen. I have written what is a message. I have given an example also how to write message. Only fill in the blanks is there. Write the blank. These blanks you fill up and send to me. Blanks only. Don't write full message.
Sir, we can write this PDF.
If space is there, you write. Okay, you can do it.
Okay, sir.
सर उसका पीडीएफ बना के भेजना है ना।
Full message you can do.
Okay, sir.
Only do that one. Then the second treasure.
Okay, sir.
So second treasure
Okay,
is
sir.
you will do. Okay. From which country this story is taken?
Iran.
Iran.
This story was
Taken by Iran.
Iran.
It is an Iranian
okay.
folk tale.
Then you see why the Shepherd had not been to school.
Because there are few schools are there and
There were many
Very poor to get the fish.
That because shepherd is poor.
very poor. Rare schools are there and he was very poor.
Now every street corner there is a school. At that time there was no school. So the Shepherd did not get opportunity to go to the school. Who visited the Shepherd?
The king of Iran. Sir, the king of Iran.
Poor and no schools, both you can write. But you have to main point
The
is
king
there
of
were
Iran visited shepherds.
the king of the country. Dipjot is correct. The king of the country visited the Shepherd. Why?
About him and thought of meeting him.
Why you can tell Surya Kumar? Why the king
Because he
visited?
was so wise and he was advising everyone and
Very good. One next
uses
the Shepherd.
and then the king thought to make the wise person shepherd and the king
Because you
made
know, yes, Dipjot is writing. He heard about the Shepherd and wanted to know the truth. Add this one. And wanted to know the truth. You please add. He wanted to know the truth. Ayan also. You please add. Dipjot also. And he wanted to know the truth. Please add. Then you see, why did the other governors become jealous of the Shepherd?
Because he was
Why did-
kind and just to one
Ah.
and all and was famous.
because he was a very very kind and a famous in the all over
Yes.
So the other governors was
Are please, Surya Kumar is telling you, please give him chance. Okay, Surya, you repeat your answer.
he was kind and just to one and all and was famous.
Yes. So he became his fame as a fair and wise governor. Fair and wise governor. His fame as a fair and wise governor he became popular. Popular means everybody liked him because he was famous as a fair and wise governor. So all the people of the kingdom liked him. Okay. Why the new governor was called to the palace? Why the New governor was
governor is carrying a iron chest everywhere, so the other governors wanted to know what is in that.
yes.
The government
Okay,
said
okay.
the king,
Okay,
and the
Citizen,
king invited.
yes, you see, don't complain against each other. Again,
The
a
other
request.
governors complained to the king that
Don't complain. We are all brothers and sisters. We are here to study. That's all. Okay. What did the iron chest contain?
So the iron chest contained the old blanket.
the iron chest
The
contained
iron chest contained an old blanket. So the iron
Oh,
chest
very good.
contained
The
an
iron
old
chest
blanket.
contained one old blanket. Correct. Correct. You are correct. Then you see, how did the king reward the new governor?
Sir, to make him the governor of bigger place. To make the governor of the
Made
bigger
the governor
place
of a more
governor.
larger kingdom.
Making the governor a large
Then you
district.
see, why the shepherd carried the iron chest with him always?
The shepherd
The
carried
iron
for
chest,
his
because
part
the
of
iron
memories.
chest has an old blanket, and the old blanket is the lightest.
The chest
Yes, yes.
carried a blanket
One by one,
which saved
by
him
one,
in
please.
every season.
Now you tell. Anuj, tell. Tanuj, tell. Tanuj, you tell now. You are telling some answer. Yes, Tanuj Sharma, please tell. Why the shepherd carried the iron chest with him always? Tanuj, tell.
So can I tell?
Yeah, Tanuj, give him chance. He is not getting chance. Then if he will not, you will. If he fails, okay, you can tell now. Yes, tell.
The chest carried an old blanket which saved him in every season, whether it
Okay.
is cold or rainy.
Okay, he wanted to remind his past. He
Sir,
did not
also-
want to forget his past. So he was a humble man who did not want to forget his
For
past.
his part of memories.
Also,
Yes. Generally, what happens,
also
children,
he
when
keeps with
people come to power?
himself blanket as
Very good. When people come to power, they forget their past, but he was not forgetting his past. Okay. So these are the questions we have already discussed for your exam. Any doubt is there in all these 3 chapters you ask? Any doubt is there?
No, sir, no. No, sir, no
India,
doubt.
Rajasthan,
No, sir, no doubt.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, all right, all the best children. You please read properly. Any doubt is there by WhatsApp, you can ask. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for
Thank
teaching
you.
us. Thank
Okay,
you, sir, for
thank you.
teaching us, sir.
Okay, nice children. We have
सर
done
एग्जाम में
revision.
लेटर भी आएगा क्या?
Thank you, sir, for teaching
क्या
us.
क्या?
Thank you,
सर
sir, for
एग्जाम में
teaching
लेटर
us.
आएगा क्या?
Wait, one on-scene passage of 5 marks, writing 5 marks,
Okay.
grammar 5 marks, then
Sir,
25
grammar में
marks.
5 marks की आएगी.
Grammar 5, on-scene passage 5, writing 5.
और
Then
sir, question
25.
answer. Sir, question answer.
Question answer 25 marks.
Okay. Sir.
Okay.
सर लेटर भी आएगा क्या? क्योंकि सिर्फ आपने
क्या?
लिखवाया नहीं है.
लेटर नहीं आएगा, मैसेज, नोटिस, नहीं तो डायरी एंट्री.
ओके सर.
I told already, इसीलिए मैं आपको एक मैसेज भेज दिया, so that you can know how to write the message.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children, all the best.
Bye, bye, sir.
So the
Bye,
principal
bye.
present.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.